Hello, we are F.A.D.E, Frederick, Annika, Denise, and Ellen, and we are here today to walk you through our approach in bringing the Louisiana collection to life. The challenge, as presented to us, was to create an immersive digital solution that, one, seamlessly categorizes and displays the extensive amount of items in the Louisiana collection in a virtual space, and second, does so in a scalable, efficient, and welcoming manner that imitates a live museum experience, essentially bringing the Louisiana collection to life.
When doing the research, we discovered two quotes we really wanted to incorporate in our design. The first one is, the purpose of the core identity is to reflect, support the Louisiana spirit in all its diversity. The second one is horizontal, transparent, welcoming, and site-specific. With these quotes in mind, we did some research on other websites, but it turns out that either the design was too plain or too complicated to navigate. Therefore, we wanted to create a solution in the spirit of Louisiana, which instantly gave the user a feeling of the Louisiana Museum. We wanted the user to be navigated easily around the website with a mix of signs, interests, and paths, just like in a museum. The target audience we chose was the students. We wanted to create a solution that gave students around the world the possibility to be a part of the Louisiana universe. Our target group may not have the finance to visit Louisiana or might be too far away, but our virtual experience would give them a chance to view collections and pieces from Louisiana from every place in the world. We needed to have in mind that students also would use this website for research purposes. That's why our solution includes bringing the archive to life, while still making it easy for students to achieve the information they might need.
In line with Louisiana's design requirements, we wanted to create a solution that was accessible for everybody. We wanted to go with a very simple design, which would bring all focus to the art, but with a fun concept that make you feel like you're actually visiting the museum. Our first thoughts for the wireframes was to create a horizontal scroll, which reflects walking down the corridors at the museum. We also wanted the collection labels to be in the same format and design as the physical labels at the museum. The asymmetrical placing of the pieces on the website imitates the walls at the actual museum. So overall, the visual exhibition is easily navigated and a really fun experience. If you are an art geek, you can easily read more about the pieces and navigate between different artists, year, and collections. It's a perfect way for students as well as families to discover art in an interesting way from home. And since 70% of the traffic comes from mobile, we focus a lot on the mobile view as well. Therefore, we turned the gallery into a vertical scroll with the navigation bar on the side instead of underneath, but still using the flip and card animations when clicking the image, just as the desktop.
The final solution was created using a mix of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We created a database API in REST-DB, which we accumulated the data on each art piece and then fetched it to the containers in the gallery. This makes the solution scalable, dynamic, and as you would be able to add additional data to the API, and then the code will do the rest of the job for you. The majority of components displayed on a website, take for example the artist page, and all the information and links displayed on that page are dynamic and will be what the user has clicked for specifically. So a few pages that represent the entire gallery with each of its pieces can be scaled with ease. In addition, our modular design using the gallery grid that we have means that this system works with every component appearing exactly where the user would expect it to be. So now we'll show you a demonstration of our website. So when you get onto the website, we wanted it to look very seamlessly to the current Louisiana website in style, and this would then lead the user to the actual virtual gallery that created. So when you click here, it takes you onto an exhibit. We then wanted to create something that would emulate the experience of being in an actual museum. So we wanted to create this horizontal sort of scroll where you would look at the different pieces. You can also scroll with the mouse. Then when you hover over a certain artwork, it expands, and then when you click, it flips. So you're able to see information similar to if you're an actual museum, you could look closer. Then when you go further down, you can navigate to the next collection or go back. So similar again to being in a museum where you'd go on to the next exhibit. And then underneath you'd have more information about the artist. Then we know a lot of users use it on a mobile, so we wanted to create a vertical scroll instead. And then when you click, it changes over as well to flips to the information.